Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. Because you guys asked for it, this week I thought I'd share with you guys my top picks of apps that you could use to bring your photos and wallpapers to life. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So, I've spent the last few days scouring the Play Store looking for the best photo and image animation apps. And I have to say, during my journey, I came across a lot of apps which are just ad-ridden pieces of junk. But saying that, I came across a few apps that genuinely surprised me. So I've added them in as honorable mentions. But before that, for anybody that's looking to get a hold of my custom live wallpapers, these as well as so many more, you're going to be able to grab from my own custom collection app. But bear in mind, this is a beta version and I'm still working out a few kinks. The link for this and all other apps will be in the description below. So now let's kick things off with our honorable mentions. Starting with Photo Animator, an app specializing in overlay animation. It allows you to add unique effects on top of your photos and images. Sadly, there's only a handful of categories to choose from, but some of these overlay effects I haven't seen in any other app. Next up, we have Luvi. This one comes with a basic set of particle effect overlays, but what truly differentiates this app from the rest is its incorporation of music. By adding your own custom music in the app, you can have your image pulsate to the beat and even add in a music visualizer. Next on the honorable list, Magic Video, an app that specializes in animated stickers. Just simply select one of the many high quality magic stickers and tap and hold on the screen to apply. Some effects can even track your finger movements as they move across the screen. Definitely a versatile app which even provides image filters as well as collage effects. The last honorable mention goes to the app Movie. This one is another specialist app, this time focusing on filter effects, most of which aimed at giving your images a glitchy aesthetic. So now that we have that out of the way, let's move on to the main event. The top 4 apps that I would recommend for you guys to check out if you're looking to bring your still images to life and even make live wallpapers yourself. At the bottom of the list, we have Pixelmotion. Similar to all of the apps moving forward, this app allows you to add movement to your images by simply drawing a path. And for anything you want to keep still, just anchor them to the screen. Additionally, you can even add overlays such as fog, cloud and rain. And if that wasn't enough, you can even add animated elements such as trees and butterflies. The pro version of the app works on a subscription basis. It will unlock more overlays, elements, and even the ability to save your project in 1080p and 4K outputs. Next up, we have Wobble. I highly recommend you guys give this one a try. It's a combination of the tools available in Pixelmotion, which we just covered, plus a dedicated section for glitch effects, such as the ones found in the app Movie. Sadly, the only thing holding this app back is the annoyance of the pop-up ads and the output restricted to 720p unless you go premium. Next up, one of the most popular apps in the Play Store for animating images, Pixaloop. So what really differentiates this app from the others is that it goes beyond just allowing us to add movement, overlays and filters to our images by allowing us to replace our image backdrops, replacing the sky itself in our photos. And the icing on the cake, there's no annoying pop-up ads, and the free version allows you to output your files at full 1080p. And finally, my go-to app for live wallpaper animation, StoryZ. In addition to allowing you to add motion to your images, you can go one step further, manipulating with bulges, squeezes, adding video backdrops, and even adding multiple layers of overlays. Personally, I prefer this over Pixaloop, as it allows for a deeper level of user control. For my full breakdown on this app, make sure you check out my video on how you can make your own custom live wallpaper. The link for this is going to be in the description below. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.